stopping recurring payments in Axis Bank is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. First of all, go into the menu of Axis mobile application. Then, choose the Bill Pay option and Manage Billers. And locate the biller for the recurring payment. Now tap on Disable Autopay or Delete Biller if available. After that, you can use Axis Internet Banking. So log into your account and click on Payments option from Manage Billers. Find the biller and select Disable Autopay or Delete Biller. Or you can contact Axis Customer Care. So you can call 1-860-419-5555 or 1-800-419-5555. Then, explain your request to stop the recurring payment. Now provide necessary account details and biller information. Or you can visit an Axis Bank branch. Go to a nearby branch with your account details and payment information. Then inform the bank representative you want to stop the recurring payment. They will process your request and provide confirmation.